Good morning, children. Today we will study about the graphical proof of equation of motion of class 9. In class 9, we have studied three equation of motion and we will prove it graphically. The first equation is v equals to u plus at. The second one s equals to u plus at square, and the third one b square equals to u square plus 2as. For solving this equation, we will take a graph. As you are seeing, this is a graph. O is the origin and this is x-axis, also this is time axis, and this is y-axis, also this is velocity axis. So this is a VT graph. If an object is traveling with initial velocity u and after traveling certain time t, it changes its velocity and its velocity becomes v. So we will write, consider an object is moving with initial velocity u. After certain time t, its velocity becomes v. So acceleration of the object can be calculated by the slope of the given graph. As we know that slope of VT graph gives us acceleration. So acceleration equals to slope of the graph, that is AB. AB means this line, AB is the slope of the graph and this line gives the acceleration. So slope AB equals to BC by CA from the graph, and we know the value of BC is B minus U, because this is B and this is U, so this will become V minus U. So BC is B minus U and CA is T. So acceleration slope of the graph becomes B minus U by T. So AT equals to B minus U or V equals to U plus AT. This is the proof of first equation. Now second equation. Second equation is, we know that distance traveled by an object can be calculated by the area of VT graph. So distance, that is S, equals to area of VT graph, that is area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OACD. So we have written here area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OABC. Using formula, area of triangle 1 by 2 AC into BC means base into height, and area of rectangle length into breadth. So length into breadth, length is U, this is U and this is T. So length into breadth, this becomes UT, and 1 by 2 AT into T. 1 by 2 B minus U. This B minus U is height and T is the base. So 1 by 2 into base into height means 1 by 2 B into B minus U into T. Calculating this, we also know that V minus U equals to AT. We have obtained from equation 1. Substituting this value of V minus U equals to UT plus 1 by 2 AT into T, and ultimately S equals to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. So this is the proof of second equation. Now third equation. We know that S equals to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. But we also know T equals to B minus U by A. Now substituting value of T in above equation, we will get S equal to U and value of T, that is B minus U by A, plus 1 by 2 A into B minus U by T A square. A will be cancelled. So this will become S equals to UT B minus U square. LCM will be 2A. Now calculating this, 2AS, and this will become 2UB minus 2U square plus B minus U. Using the formula of A minus B whole square, this will become B square minus U square plus minus B square plus U square minus 2UB plus 2ab ub and minus 2ab will be cancelled out. and this will become 2as equals to b square minus u square. So ultimately we will write b square equals to u square plus 2as. So this is the proof of third equation. So here we have seen how we will prove equation of motion graphically. Share the video as much as possible and stay tuned with me for more videos on physics and mathematics. Thank you very much.